Welcome to Fun with Brothers. My name is Jay. My name is Om. Today we'll open the Maximum Destructions. Let's start! It comes with lots of ingredients. It is a monster truck. It has some gray spikes and it has this logo on both sides and says Maxty, says Maxty and some fire. Cool. Ooh, it's a yellow medal for the monster truck. Let's quickly build it. Yeah, it's almost ready. Yeah. This is the launcher, and when it moves, it will get the medal like this. Yay! Won! Oh, let's do Monster Truck versus cars on the track. Let's do it! Monster Truck versus Cars. Monster Truck team. Cars team. Let's start with the Monster Truck team. That name is necessary. Oops. Nothing, no points. Let's try the car. Nope, it didn't win. Let's try again with the Monster Truck. It lost! Let's try with the car! Yay! It broke the medal! There's only one car and the car team won! First winner of our race! Let's see the second one is the monster truck race. Oops! Out of the game! Yay! Second winner is the other car. Try third. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! The cars are winning! And that was a big launch. And fast which it was. Let's try now. Oh, we didn't put the medal. Let's try. Oops, out of the game. Let's try the monster truck. Let's try the monster again. No, car. Let's try the car. No. Oops. Ouch. Monster truck. Oops. Car. Let's try the car. Yay! It also broke the medal. That was the ambulance. Now let's try the Maxty. Whoa! So far, there are only cars winning. What's happening? Let's try the Maxty. Yay! He's the first monster truck winner. His name is Maxty. For the next one. Yay! Oops! Lost. Now let's try the last car. And there's one more monster truck. Yay! The car is good. Yes! The cars are all done. Maybe the cars team will win today. There are only 3 monster trucks left, and we have 5 car winners and 1 monster truck winner. The ones we will try now is Smash Squatch, Zombie, Hot Wheels. The monster truck team will for sure lose because there are 5 cars and 3 monster trucks left. Maybe Squatch will win. Yay! Let's start Hot Wheels. Yay! The last car we'll try is Zombie from the last race. That's the last monster truck. 1, 2, 3. Yay! So this was the last winner of the monster truck. So the competition that won was the car. So the winner is Car Team. Yeah! And I'm the winner. Like and subscribe to our channel and watch more of our fun videos. Thank you for watching.